Hi kids, thanks for tuning into LMI Toys, where your imagination comes to life. Today we're playing with the Boley 5-in-1 Big Rig Hauler that has an auto transport trailer with colorful 4-wheel drive mutter trucks. We're going to use our imagination to set up a ramp competition and see who can knock over the most blocks. Let's call this truck the Green Machine. I wonder how he's going to do in the competition. Next up, let's name this truck Orange Crusher. Will this truck be able to crush the competition? We'll call this truck Mellow Yellow and see if it's smooth enough to win the race. And let's call this truck Mr. Red Hot and see if he'll be heating up this competition. Let's not forget about the Big Rig Hauler. We'll name this truck Large Marge. It's going to bring its pure diesel horsepower to this competition. We'll see if it has what it takes to win the race. Let's take one last look at our competitors before they make their way to the ramp. Which one of these trucks do you think will be crowned our grand champion? Our competitors are off to the races with Large Marge leading the charge. The Green Machine is looking lean. Mr. Red Hot's, he's burning bright. Orange Crush is off to crush the competition. And Mellow Yellow is looking smooth. And our first competitor is the Green Machine. That's gonna cost you, Green Machine. Next up, we have Mellow Yellow. Can he knock down all the blocks? Up next, the Orange Crusher. Can he crush the blocks? Mr. Red Hot. Let's see how he does. And our final competitor is Large Marge. Will it be able to knock down every block? And our judges have made their decisions. In second place is Mr. Red Hot. Good job, Mr. Red Hot. And in third place, Orange Crusher. Well done, Orange Crusher. Coming in fourth place is Mellow Yellow. Way to stay smooth, Mellow Yellow. And rounding out our lineup with an honorable mention is the Green Machine. Better luck next time, Green Machine. And finally, the grand champion of this competition, Large Marge. Job well done, Large Marge. You are the grand champion of this competition, and you deserve the trophy. I sure had a lot of fun playing with the Boley 5-in-1 Big Rig Hauler, where Large Marge was our #1 champion today. Be sure to like and subscribe and tune into our other videos at LMI Toys. See you next time.